Hello YouTube, you may notice I'm not wearing my hat, but that is actually for a very specific reason. I'll get to that in just a moment. Hey everyone, Ben here. I know what's this. I'm normally wearing my hat. I introduce myself as BH Blankenship. But today for this video, I feel it's important to not wear my hat and to actually go by Ben, which is what I go by in my day-to-day life. BH Blankenship, yeah, those are my initials. That is technically, a version of my name, but I use that as one of my two pen names. The other being Benjamin H. Blankenship, and I use BH Blankenship as my author brand, and the hat is part of the brand, so that is why I normally wear those in the videos. But I'm putting all that aside. I'm just talking to you as Ben today to illustrate a point. As an author, you have to really put yourself in the work. And no, I don't mean writing yourself as a character into your book. No, what I mean by that is taking the things that make you who you are, the very essence of you as a person and as a writer, and putting that into your work. If you're a humorous person, be funny in your books. If you geek out about stuff, put that in your books. Really tell your audience about who you are through your work, because if you don't, I'm going to tell you, your audience is smart. They're going to pick up on that, and you're not really going to connect with them. And when you can't connect with your target audience, you lose out on a huge opportunity to build fans. For instance, if you're not an edgy person and you figure you have to be, so you write in a bunch of extra violence and sex into your book just to add that extra edge because you think that's what the people are going to want, you're failing yourself and you're failing your readers. Now, if that's not who you are, don't play like that's who you are. Take the best qualities of yourself and put that into your story. That's what I do with my characters. Is the characters in my book, I take aspects of myself and I embody those in my characters, and I round them out with aspects of other people I know, just so it's not just a bunch of me running around everywhere, all having adventures, just acting slightly different. I try to infuse a lot of my humor into my books, I should say, because I have more than one out, and yeah, there's more coming out. So also work in your hobbies, your interests, the things that, again, reflect you as a person. If you're a very outdoorsy person, put that in your writing. If you, for example, right there, look at my cat. If you love animals, reflect that in your book. Just, yeah, take those different parts of yourself, those very personal aspects of who you are, all the little pieces that make you special and unique. Those need to be in your book. Your audience will connect with you better. They'll understand you better. They're more likely to go from an audience to fans. And there's definitely something to be said for having loyal fans. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this video short. I feel this is a pretty simple point to make. I don't want to expand on it too much and just get to the point where I'm rambling, which I already kind of am, to be honest, but I do that sometimes when I talk, especially to the camera. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut this short. Alright everyone, have a great day. Have a good one. See you next time. Hello again, just a quick reminder that if you found this video helpful, informative, you want to watch more of them, I do have a subscribe button here. I have other videos you can watch. You can leave your comments below, share the video, any of that good stuff, and I will catch you next time. Have a good one.